Hello friends, welcome to HPFS video. We are making this video for our customer who has sent me the some samples. Okay, so these are the samples. It is mentioned sample 2 and it is mentioned as in sample 1. So now we are taking the results in comparison with this instrument. This instrument report has been sent by Hyundai to customer, and Hyundai is using Konica Minolta CM700D to measure this color value. Okay, and those samples are the same. So before it, what I will do, I'll just make it happen. The instrument I pressing on. This is the on button. So instrument getting on. It is already calibrated. So calibration video I had made another video. So I'll just show you the accuracy of the instrument. So I'll just make a reading. The instrument is held in a dock. This is the dock. Okay. The dock has the value for the LAB value in terms of D65 10 degree and metamerism. Major value aperture is 11 mm. Okay. This is the tile and this is the aperture. Okay, machine has M as the fourth feature. Okay, so I'll just give you the repeatability also. See how it gives the reading. I'll just make comparison. So it is giving me the repeatability of 0 because it is very accurate instrument. Okay, and the tile is very tightly fitted with the aperture. That's why it shows this kind of repeatability. Now, what we will do, we will just make it happen like with the samples. Okay, so these are the samples as I told you, and these are the results. So we don't have the result for the Hyundai in our instrument. So what we did, we go to our data, okay, and we add it here manually. So if you see, this is the data of the Hyundai, which is given by J. Okay, 31.48, 0.18 and minus 1.3 the B value. Okay, so now we will see the color comparison, okay, in terms of this along with the master data of Mastercard data of Hyundai. So now this is, as I told you, this is the sample 1. I already sent a report to the customer, but I'm making video recording, so it will be better. So I'm just making it happen. I'm pressing this button. Okay, I will use this machine as touchscreen also, but I am using it by button. So this is the data it comes. So see the variation it gives is the metamerism effect. Okay, now if I want to see the delta, what I will do, I'll go to setting and measurement parameter. I will use the delta E CAB LAB. I'm using it. Now go to data, view result, comparison, and I'm taking the reading. See, the instrument is here. Our instrument has camera feature also. So you see, we can locate this. If I move this and keep it on this board, see, it is showing this. So now I'm keeping it to the exact part. So I'm keeping it here and I'm making result. See, now the delta is coming around 0.26 with sample 1. We are measuring this in comparison of Mastercard of Hyundai color, which is these values. Okay, you can see it, these values. We are already stored it. Now we are measuring it. So as you can see, this is sample 1.27. It is repeatability same. I'll pick it up and I will make a reproducibility now. See how it is. It works. So this is the sample 1. You can see the sample 1. Now this is the sample 2. These are plastic parts made with some textured part things. I'm making it. See, so this is the sample 2, which is very near to Hyundai expectations, like 0.1 delta. This is sample 2. So as this we can see the comparison. As we have made already comparison in terms of metamerism with sample 1, I'll just make it change here. Okay, metamerism. I can do any selections like moon cell density, everything is there. Whiteness, ITA, all things are there. Okay, so I am now using it metamerism. Okay, so I am using it metamerism. Sorry, parameter opaque, not metamerism. Click back. So it comes with metamerism. What we'll do, we'll go to setting. We'll go to data, call the database and make results. So this is sample 2. The metamerism with sample 2 is 31.4. In comparison with the D65 is the light, one light, and other light is A2. Okay. Same thing if we do with this. Understood? So this is the way we can make use of this. It will connect it with the computer, mobile, both as well. And this is the small display of instrument. That's why it remains the limited things. But on computer, you can use lots of display reports. Like you see, we have made it here. We have already shared the data, right? So these are the settings we can make as a display. So whatever we need, see the LAB simulation, we can add it in display. Color specifications, right? Color different types, whatever you need. Whiteness of terms, all whiteness are here. Yellowness, blackness and grayscale, which called jet, color jetness. Transmission, but actually this software works in only the benchtop spectrophotometer for this, because this model is not compatible with transmission mode. So the software is made for every instrument of CHN spec, but you can use as per the instrument facility. Okay, see absorbance, it has coffee color, it has tomato color also, so it will work in food also. Okay, so like this you can set the things, you can make measurement settings, whatever name you want to do automatically, or you want to make average continuous measurement, you can do it. Then print settings are here. So these are the limited data I have transferred to this report, and these are the report database which I need to display for customer details. Okay, so these are the thing. By here you can make metamerism or references. Okay, so I already made it T6510, so you can change it to whatever metamerism you want to do. Okay, so this is software. This software has capacity to find cloud data or local data also. In cloud data you can easily access the things from cloud. So one software with one login you can access n numbers of devices. So there is no license needed in terms of quality management software. But if you want to measure color recipe, it requires the license fee, which you can ask us by contacting us. Okay, this is the thing. Find close local library, find close in colors in this. I find out close local library. So I have a library, so I'll open it. So whatever library you can store, I didn't save it, but you can make it. Okay, then I'll store it to go to cloud data. I'll show you cloud. Settings. Okay, find close colors in cloud library. So cloud library has lots of data. Whatever data you need, you can store it here. See, you can store it here. So you can store whatever data you want, and you can get the way to access it. Okay, so whatever library you want, you can save and see. See, I have saved my Sachin color data online, so it has been shown, and I already saved this Hyundai data in online way, and I'll match it. See, I'll measure it. Disconnected. I need to connect it. Refresh. Made a connection. It will connect. So it has to log in first. So it is measuring. See, it is measuring. I measured it. It is measuring it. So it has been measured, the data. Whatever data I measured, I will select my library, desired library, which is my personal library, which is online. So I am finding similar color. So as you can see, my library has found many colors, but it found Hyundai first because I have stored Hyundai color in terms of this Delta E27. So this is for sample 1. If I take results on sample 2, I'll make again measurement. I can measure it again. The values got changed. Beep. Okay, and then I'll find it similar. So sample 1 has given. Find complete. Sample 1 has been given 0.8, 0.127, and sample 2 is given 0.08. Okay. So likewise, you can measure things. I hope you like this video. There are lots of details we can work it on. Okay, but the video has limited time to make, so I thought you got the better ideas and you find these things. Okay, so if anything else, you can ask us for the given numbers. You have our number. Thank you very much for watching this video.